video tutorial, we will see how to print number square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, in every line, 5 numbers are available. Along with every number, a space character is appended. The numbers of square patterns are decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0, I is equal to 0. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iteration. At the end of every iteration, we are going to print I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. Print the result. Print 5 minus I is going to print 5, then 4, then 3, 2 and 1. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Here 5 minus I is type of int, convert it into string. Now in the every line 5 numbers are available, so multiply this number string with 5. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py square.py. This is our expected number square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number square pattern.